And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. This is Mike, the FX Boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other streaming platforms. How is everybody? Happy Wednesday! Happy Wednesday, everybody. It's Wednesday, right? Lost in time, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Alright. This is the professional Forex trading course 1-1. It's for beginner traders, everybody. Alright, and it's suitable for whom? If you want to be a professional trader, this course is for you. If you want to become a funded trader, through trading.com or Darwin X0, this course is for you. If you want to become a hedge fund trader to trading.com, this course is for you. And yeah, hello, how are you? And remember, this is powered by Dukascopy itself. Of course, everybody. Today we have finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend, so we are going to work on number 1 and number 3. Please disclaimer, remember, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, right? And you don't want to hear it, but let's get your expectations in line. Do not expect to become consistently profitable in the first year. Focus on the process of learning instead. Learn about how this market works first, then move to become the successful trader you always wanted to be. Wow, right? For questions and homeworks, you can send me an email to the Gmail. And for extra webinars, seminars, this Saturday we have the flagship workshop. It's one of the most difficult ones, everybody, to understand and to get. It's called Learn How to Hedge, right? Alright, everybody, do you want to make some money? Type in the chat, everybody. Do you want me to show you how to make some money? Type in the chat, everybody. Yes, I want. Show me how to make some money, right? No, I'm not joking. Today we have trading Fibonacci numbers, finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. So we are going to check and see a few things. We are going to check and see. Number 1, does the Fibonacci has a tradable edge? Right? And number 2, we are going to try to make some money, try to make sense out of the Fibonaccis. Alright, everybody? Douglas says no. Alright, not a big deal. Alright, everybody, so type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend, so we can find the Fibonaccis. You can ask for the weekly chart, you can ask for the monthly chart, you can ask for the daily chart, you can ask for the 4-hour chart too. Alright? Type in the chat, everybody. You are going to see how easy, in terms of understanding the Fibonacci sequence, how easy it is to trade, alright? Fibonacci is a great tool. Fibonacci gives you targets. Fibonacci is going to tell you where the stop loss should go. Fibonacci is going to tell you where the take profit should go, and so on and so on and so on. YouTubers too, type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend. There is no right or wrong. No consolidation, not. Any currency pair. Don't worry if you make a mistake. I'm going to tell you. All right, everybody. So, okay, so currency pairs in a downtrend. All right, everybody. So general direction, and then we have currency pairs in an uptrend. General direction. Alright, everybody? Currency pairs in a downtrend, talking about general direction. Alright, that's on me, then you need to choose, alright? So, AUD CAD is down, AUD USD is down, NZD USD is down, NZD CAD is down, Euro dollar is down, to mention just a few. Alright. In an uptrend, we're looking for an uptrend, so hopefully not the monthly bands, right? So Euro New Zealand it's in an uptrend, Euro CAD it's in an uptrend, GBP AUD it's in an uptrend, GBP CAD it's in an uptrend, GBP JPY it's in an uptrend, Canada JPY it's in an uptrend, AUD CHF it's in an uptrend, Canada CHF it's in an uptrend, and so on and so on and so on. Alright, everybody, now pick one. First comes, first is served. No, the uptrend. AUD CAD, boss. The title on YouTube is Finding the Original Fibonacci in an Uptrend. Alright, everybody, so this is AUD CHF monthly chart. Alright. Where should you start drawing? Where should you start drawing your Fibonacci? Should you start drawing your Fibonacci from the first circle, or should you start drawing your Fibonacci from the second circle? First circle, boss. Exactly, very good. So we're going to do something like this and like this. Circle out. Text, whoops. Circle out, there you go. So text, this is our A, that's our A. Up in here it's our B. Alright, do we agree? Now, that's our C. Alright, everybody, that's our C. Alright. Now, settings, preference, and general, UTC. Alright. If we zoom out as far as we can, AUD CHF, would you say, I mean, there is no right or wrong, would you say that this is the first Fibonacci? And we've learned trend lines and counter trend lines, right? This would be the counter trend line. Alright? So if you remember, this is not trading or investment advice. If you buy the market right now and you put stop loss below the A, would you make, it's going to take some time of course, would you make a bunch of money? Oh, but this is the monthly chart. Yes. Would you or wouldn't you make a bunch of money? Type in the chat, yes or yes. Boss, I'm not buying it right now. All good. Not a problem. Not a problem. Make sense? Not a problem. But risk-reward ratio wise, you know, why wouldn't you buy this one? So we just found the Fibonacci, original Fibonacci in an uptrend in here. Boss, but this is still in a downtrend. Well, let's not forget the monthly bands, right everybody? Let's not forget about the monthly bands. So we are assuming that this is the first Fibonacci in an uptrend because we are at the monthly band. Make sense? Does this make sense? There is no right or wrong. As a matter of fact, I'm going to buy this right now on a Darwinex account. Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Give me a second. Whoops, I don't have the other one. Alright, so give me a second. AUD, 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 CHF, AUD, CHF. Specification. Long, positive, wow. Alright everybody, so we're going to chart window. I believe I'm ready to trade. So we are going to go to clean and we're going to go to the monthly chart, and 0.1 is giving me 0.5%. Alright, it's not enough 0.5%, right, on a position trade. Alright, so let's do it like this. I'm going to enter 4 more. So 4 more, and the stop loss is, everybody, I'm not recommending you to do the same. Alright, I don't recommend you, this is no recommendation. AUD/CHF stop loss 533, so it's 0.5330 by the market. There you go. Alright everybody, so this is going to be, come on, this is going to be 6, this is going to be 2000. Oh, it's too much, 21,000. Too much, too much, too much. Too much. Too much. Symbol, AUD/CHF. Oh, it's 4. It should be 0.4, right? AUD/CHF, close the trade. Not 4, 0.4. 0.4 and 0.53170. by the market. There you go. 6,2000. All right. Now we have a great entry, right? On the monthly Fibonacci. Now if we move forward, everybody, and clone chart, and we go on the weekly, we're going to delete. Some of you are late on YouTube, everybody. The question was, type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend, so I can show you how to make some money. Alright? This is AUDCHF weekly chart, monthly band. Whoops, this is A and the B. That's the B. First one, so give me a second. A to B, and ABCD, that's the C, ABCD, bam. So the market broke the up Fibonacci, correct? ABCD, so we don't have any reference, we don't have the weekly Fibonacci, we don't have any reference, so we're going to clone chart, and we're going to go to the daily, right? Daily chart, we are here so far. Daily chart, Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation, so we're going to see how this is going to play out. Going up, so A to B, this was one, market broke the Fibonacci. This was the second one, there you go, and that's the one. It's still working, right? Still working. Blackjack setup from the Fibonacci's. Alright, everybody? Wouldn't this be a great entry, everybody? So AUDCHF so far for the Fibonacci traders, for the Fibonacci traders, on the monthly you have something like this. Is this the monthly A to B? I'm not sure why. I know. Give me a second. That one. Would you like to keep a copy? No, I don't want to have copies. So A to B, there you go. That's the monthly. And ABCD, that's from the weekly. And from the daily, right? And from the daily we are give me a second. Disable, there you go. Out. No, I don't want to save anything. So one more time, everybody. AUDCHF, Fibonacci in an uptrend, daily chart, counter trendline break. Wouldn't this be a great entry, everybody? There you go. potentially we are in consolidation, right? Let's make a poll, everybody. Who in here wants to enter AUDCHF? Long, buy. There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Would you buy ADCHF? And if you say no, the question is why not? Any other pairs? Alright, everybody, so went out. Alright, not a big deal. Please type in the chat, everybody, a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend. Today we're going to find the original Fibonacci in an uptrend, and I'm going to show you how to make some money. No, I'm not joking. No, I'm not joking, come on. I just entered. I just entered AUDCHF here, see? I just entered. Today, right now with you guys, on Darwin X0, I just entered long AUDCHF. Why would this be a joke? First comes, first is served. Type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend. And hopefully not at the monthly bands. So we can find the original Fibonacci and I can show you how to make some pips and money. Talking about the Forex course 101 and talking about the Fibonacci sequence and the pattern who has a tradable edge. Everybody, I just entered. I just entered 2% risk on my account, alright? If I'm going to make some money, did I do anything special? Talk to me, everybody, YouTubers too, student traders online. I just entered 2% risk, stop loss down in here, alright? If I'm going to make some money, did I do anything special? Like, oh, you know, the boss, you are the man, and you know, it's easy for you to do this stuff and so on. Did I do anything special? Boss, what if you lose? So what? It's a probability game. You must understand probabilities. How many of you online you don't want to lose? And how many of you online expect that every single time that you are going to enter the market, that this market, it must go your way? How many of you? This is the 1 hour chart. How many of you expect if you buy right now, you know, It's a counter trend break. How many of you expect that if you buy the market right now, that the market is going to go your way? And you don't want to hear nor see the market doing something like this. How many of you? Don't judge yourself, all of this is normal. It's normal, don't judge yourself. See everybody, if you are suffering and expecting that the market is going to go your way every single time, then you need to work on yourself with the understanding that what makes the money is this is one of the big concepts on the Forex course 101. Before you can become a trader, a risk manager, potentially managing mega millions, you must learn emotionally that what makes the money is the what? Entry, not. Psychology, important but not. Risk reward ratio, boss, it's important but not. All of those are important, everybody, but the single most important concept from the Forex course 101, what makes the money to the trader is what? Who knows? YouTubers too? So from different streaming platforms, right? What makes the money to the trader? FX 101 question. Forex course 202, we have a different story. What is the entry, risk reward, risk management, psychology, consistency, stop loss, exits, strategy, system, and so on and so on and so on. Student traders on YouTube, what do you think? Which one is the single most important skill that you should learn if you want to move from the Forex course 101 into the Forex course 202? What makes the money to the trader? Is the entry? Is the risk reward? Is the risk management? Is the psychology? Is the consistency? Is the stop loss? Is the exits? Are the exits? Is it the strategy? Or is it the system? What makes the money? I mean, all of those are super important. All of those are super important. But there is one which is the single most important factor that if you don't learn, all the others are not going to help you. Who knows? Come on everybody, don't be shy, we don't bite. Come on YouTubers, we need to pump up the YouTube channel, come on. Hedge fund trader Clinton, hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader J-Van, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Sandy, long time no see, hedge fund trader, who else is there? Mark, hedge fund trader Sasha. Come on, YouTubers, type in the chat. There is only one single most important factor that if you don't learn, the other ones are not going to help you. And that's the reason why I entered risking 2% long right now during this session on AUD/CHF. And remember, this is no suggestion, this is not trading advice, this is not investment advice, we are here to learn. Hedge fund trader Rakesh. Don't worry everybody, I have a 20 seconds delay in the chat. Hedge fund trader Sasuke, what about you? What makes money to the trader? Psychology? Important, but if you enter in the wrong place, then psychology is not going to help you, agreed? Risk management. If you enter in the wrong direction, risk management is not going to help you, agreed? Everybody, how is the sound? Sound check, sound check, sound check. Can you hear me, everybody? Would anybody be so kind and type in the chat that you can see my screen and hear my voice? Sound check, sound check, sound check. Anybody? I'm not sure if you can hear me, everybody. Sound check, sound check. Hedge fund trader Clinton. What makes the money to the trader? Forex course 101 question. In the Forex course 202, we are talking about different stuff. The stop loss, hedge fund trader Ali, correct. The stop loss level. Ali, did you enter long on AUD/CHF? I'm just asking everybody, this is not a recommendation, not advice. So the appropriate use of the stop loss, everybody, is the single, everything is important, but if you don't know where to put the stop loss, entry is not going to help you, risk reward is not going to help you, risk management is not going to help you, psychology, consistency are not going to help you, exits, you're going to exit at the wrong exit, and the strategy and the system are not going to help you. Congratulations to you, Ali. All of those are important, but the single most important is the stop loss. Alright? Alright everybody, you have different currency pairs in an uptrend. Pick and choose one so I can show you how to make money. We are going to find the original Fibonacci in an uptrend, right? Alright, let me give you an example. Okay, AUD/CHF out, out, out. Open template. Oops, not this one. Clone chart. Everybody, how would you trade Euro New Zealand? Everybody, does Euro New Zealand have an up Fibonacci, or does Euro New Zealand have a down Fibonacci? What do you think? There is no right or wrong. Does Euro New Zealand have an up Fibonacci, or does Euro New Zealand there is no right or wrong. What do you think? Up or down? We need to find the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. Do you see this chart as a chart that is going down? Therefore, we are going to draw a down Fibonacci. Or do you see this chart going up, so we are going to draw an up Fibonacci? Never forget, it's a game between the monthly bands. Hedge fund trader Ali, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Javen, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Sandy. Who else is there? I don't even remember the names anymore. Would you say Euro New Zealand on the monthly chart is in an uptrend? Uptrend, up market wave? Do we agree, everybody, that it's extension, retracement, extension, retracement? Do we agree that we're in an uptrend so far? Type in the chat, yes I agree, or type in the chat, no I don't agree, this is a downtrend, we should short Euro New Zealand. Agreed, boss, alright. So, if this is an uptrend on Euro New Zealand monthly chart, shouldn't we start our A down in here, and shouldn't we connect our B to up in here, and shouldn't we spread the Fibonacci retracement tool from A to B? Give it a second. Shouldn't we do something like this, everybody? And isn't it true that if you would buy the Fibonacci anywhere and everywhere, because you have an up AB boundary, and isn't it true that if you would just put the stop loss below the A, it doesn't really matter where you would buy, you would still be in profit? Isn't this true? See everybody, you don't need to overcomplicate things. Does this make sense? Don't overcomplicate. That's the AB. C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary. There you go. You are here, everybody. Should you buy or should you sell? Talking about general direction to make money. Should you be buying? Should you be trying to buy this Fibonacci sequence or should you be trying to sell? I mean, come on, this is a no-brainer, right? Boss, but the market can fall. Unless you have the stop loss in the appropriate place below the A, this market is not going to stop you out 7 times out of 10. That's good news. Work on yourself, everybody. Every single day. Keep repeating. Unless I have the stop loss in the appropriate place, below or above the A, the market is not going to stop me out. It might take some time, but the market is not going to stop me out. Does this make sense? Now, clone chart. Let's go on the weekly. Out this one, out the Fibonacci, out the ABCDs. Right? Zoom in the chart, zoom in the chart, zoom in the chart. ABCD, so looks like A and B are the same from the monthly chart. A to B, if I'm not mistaken. One more time, double check, triple check, maybe. Yeah, it's not a high, that's the high. So this is not a high, that's not a high. Alright. A to B, Euro New Zealand weekly chart. ABCD. Alright, red goes to red. Did the market hit the red? No, it didn't. We are still here. Agreed, everybody? We're finding the original Fibonacci in an uptrend. So you are here. What do you think you should do? Talking about direction. Everybody. And we've learned support, resistance, pivot points. Look at my account, symbol, Euro New Zealand. What am I doing? I'm buying long, Euro New Zealand, long, Euro New Zealand, long, Euro New Zealand, long. Can you do this, everybody? Can you understand the logic behind? Monthly Fibonacci is up. Weekly Fibonacci is up. Do we have time? Okay, we're going to start the daily too. Let's go on the daily. Alright. Hedge fund trader Melissa, are you here? Hedge fund trader Melissa, are you here? Say hello. Clone chart. Clone chart, and let's go on the daily. We're going to do a charting exercise. Everybody. We're going to start right now and let's see if we can finish, right? Okay, looks like Melissa is not here. Alright everybody, let's go very slowly, right? We need to find the most recent Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand daily chart. Alright? Now, that's the A from the monthly bands. That's the B, is the first high as soon as possible after the A. Horizontal line, that's the C. And Fibonacci retracement tool, A to B. And the extension must be a high. So that's not a high. Let me see everybody, let's zoom in the chart. No, that's not a high, so it's the next one, right? A, B, C. And that's now the D up in here, A, B, C, D. And this is going to be green. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to readjust the Fibonacci. A goes to C. Do this with me everybody, this is how you learn. And of course B goes to D. B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool, and we have the new ABCD. Agreed? The C is the lowest point inside the AB boundary. Give me a second, which one is the C? So yeah, that's the C. Green goes to green, the market hit the green, the extension, formed the high, that's the D. And what we're going to do, we're going to repeat the process. A goes to C, up in here, that's the A. And moving forward, B goes to D, right? B goes to D. Fibonacci retracement tool. We have a new sequence. We are going to zoom out just to see if the market stops us out on the A. Bam! Alright. Now, can we understand, everybody, can we understand that there is no point for us to charting the new ABCD, ABCD, ABCD? This would be a waste of time, because I can see that the market is going to stop us out down in here. Do we agree? It's a waste of time. I mean, nothing wrong if you want to practice, but it's a waste of time, right? So the market stops us out here on the A, and if I zoom out, you know, now it doesn't really, so it's also a waste of time for us charting the down sequence, the down Fibonacci, because if I can put the line on this high, which would be the starting point, right, of the down Fibonacci, you know, then I can see, if I move forward in time, I can see that the market is going to stop me out again, up in here. So there is no point for me to draw the down sequence. Make sense? Now, if I move forward, forward, so we are here right now, okay? Now what we're going to do, we are going to start our new Fibonacci, right? Starting from down in here. ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. Alright, so we're going to zoom in the chart, zoom in the chart, zoom in the chart. That's our A. Ladders, that's our A. Horizontal line, that's our B. Where is the B? Where is the B? Where is the B? Here. A, B, C, D, and the green one for the D. Color of joy, how are you? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So that's the B. And that's the B. Fibonacci retracement tool. Connect A to B. Ladders. A, B, C, D. There you go. Alright. And as you can see, everybody, the market hit the blue. So that's the C. Therefore, our appropriate extension goes to blue. But the D must be a high. The market didn't form the high at the blue, so we are searching for the very next high. Searching, 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 bam. Now that's the D, right? What we're going to do, we're going to readjust our Fibonacci's. A goes to C, and B goes to D up in here. We're going to move the green one up. And now we have the new Fibonacci boundary. AB boundary one more time. Alright, so we are here. Green goes to green. A, B, C, D, that's the C. Market formed the D at the green level. So one more time we're going to readjust the Fibonacci. A goes to C. A goes to C. B goes to D. Green one up. So that's the high, and there you go. Fibonacci retracement tool, one more time. We have a new Fibonacci sequence. So let's zoom out. Let's see if the market is going to stop us out in some levels. Not to waste time. We are far away. We are still far away. Don't worry, everybody. If we cannot finish today, we're going to finish tomorrow. Alright? So this one was still blue. Just for a few pips. Alright? So blue goes to blue. That's the C. And talking about the blue, the market didn't stop. We are looking for a high. That's the high. One more time. A goes to C. C goes up in here. D goes somewhere up in here. And green one. There you go. A goes to C, B goes to D, and we have a new Fibonacci sequence. Alright, everybody, so homework until tomorrow. Try to get to the most recent Fibonacci. Find the original Fibonacci in an uptrend on Euro New Zealand. Alright, everybody, homework. Homework. Find the most recent original Fibonacci on Euro New Zealand daily chart. Alright everybody? Edit label, chart, daily chart. Daily chart. Alright everybody? Why are we doing this? Euro New Zealand, monthly chart, Fibonacci is up. You should buy the market. Euro New Zealand, weekly chart, it's up. You should buy the market. Now, Euro New Zealand daily chart, we are going to see how this is going to play out. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and chart the Fibonacci like the boss. Like a boss, you are the boss of your account. Alright everybody,